Guys, it's your girl Purely Janice. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be collabing with one of the best affordable luxury wig hair companies by the name of LUVME Hair. They sent over this wig and I am super excited to open it. I decided to wait to open it on camera with you guys so that we can get a reveal together. So if you guys would like to see me install this wig with LUVME Hair, go ahead and stick around. If you guys want to skip this part and just get right into the install, you can, but I do want to unbox this on camera so that you guys can see everything that the wig comes with if you guys were to order this for yourselves. So when you first open the box, let's just talk about the box. It's giving luxury, you know, it's giving bougie. We're going to open it up. If we can. The minute you open it, you get the wig, a little paper that says enjoy your hair journey from now on by the founder of LUVME Hair. Of course, they give you a wig cap, a little baggie full of goodies to help us install our wig, and a couple of informational cards with things like refund, contact information, wig upkeep, etc. Just a closer look because I'm nosy. We're going to open up the little baggie and see what we have in here. They give us a little scarf to put our wig on with, an elastic band, that's gonna come in handy, some bobby pins, an edge brush, some tweezers, and a little LUVME hair clip, which is super cute. But let's get into the good part, the wig. So this is the wet and wavy high density glueless lace closure wig. Inside of the wig they have this elastic band along with the two straps at the end. As we can see on the inside, here is the lace that we're working with. I think it's like a 13x4, I believe, so we don't have like a full 360 cap, but it's still a lot of room to be able to have a side part if you want. This is how the wig looks against our skin, just so you guys can get a little preview. That looks so good. I'm so excited to put this on. I'm gonna just take this. Oh my gosh, no, we gotta redo that. The wig cap wasn't supposed to come off. Okay, this is embarrassing. Just so you know, always adding a little bit of wild growth oil underneath your wig cap on top of your hair is always a great way to go, just to keep your hair moisturized. I'm gonna go melt down my wig cap and then we'll be back to install the wig. Just a little tip for my beginners, you want to make sure that your Ghost Bond glue is completely clear before you go on with your second coat and before you lay it on top of your lace to melt down your wig. If you do not, it's going to make a huge mess and I don't want y'all going through that. So make sure it's clear, do not try to rush it. If you put your lace on top of the white glue, it's gonna make a mess, just trust me. This step is not at all mandatory. I just do it because I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I want my lace to look as good and as natural as possible. So I did go in and pluck a little bit more. But I just want to say, do we see that hairline? I'm not gonna lie, it does look a little bit crunchy, but I am gonna go over it with a little bit of Got2b Glue Freeze Spray, just a tiny bit, because we don't want it to lift the lace, because the Got2b Glue Spray plus the Ghost Bond Glue do not mix. If anything, it will lift your lace. So I go over it with just a little bit of freeze spray to lay that and really melt it into our skin. Okay, because do y'all see that? Who is she? The hair looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. The curls are nice and moisturized and juicy. It's giving wig wear lace who for sure. Period per. We did that. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think it turned out so cute. The lace is just melted into my skin perfectly, and I think the install altogether was just a huge success. Like, do we see this? It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. This wig is just amazing. Like, do you guys see the quality here? It's giving everything it was supposed to give and more, 100%. If any of you decide to purchase any products or hair from LUVME Hair, make sure to use my coupon code Janice for some money off, because who doesn't like to save? The direct link for this hair along with LUVME Hair's site will be linked in the description box below, along with all of the other products and things that I used in this video aside from my makeup. Do not hesitate to comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is, and I will be sure to answer you guys promptly. Thank you again to LUVME Hair for the collaboration and for sending me this wig, and thank you all for watching as well. I hope this video was informative, fun, and now you guys can go ahead and be able to try something like this for yourselves, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.